In this module, we will look at conflict of interests. This is regulated by Principle 7, by which you must act in the best interests of each client, and Parts 6 of the SRA Code of Conduct for solicitors and the Code for firms. The Code of Conduct glossary defines conflict of interest as a situation where your separate duties to act in the best interests of two or more clients conflict. If there is a conflict between your own interests and those of the client, or a significant risk of such conflict, you cannot act on behalf of the client. Part 6.1. The Code allows for no exceptions. If you have a conflict of interest of two or more clients, or a significant risk of such a conflict in relation to a matter or particular aspect of it, you should not act unless A. The clients have a substantially common interest in relation to the matter or the aspect of it as appropriate, or B. The clients are competing for the same objective, and the conditions below are met, namely that 1. All the clients have given informed consent, given or evidenced in writing, to you acting. 2. Where appropriate, you put in place effective safeguards to protect your client's confidential information. And 3. You are satisfied it is reasonable for you to act for all the clients. Part 6.2.